It's really only a handful so far.
Which are the other ones?
Well, of course, we've got Bitcoin. Now, in our public funds, these trades are public, so I can tell you our exposures are Bitcoin, Ether. We're finally able to get an acceptable, from a regulator's point of view, way to play Ether, and we chose Bitmine immersion. And in the and then Solana is the third one, and we can talk about that as well in terms of its role. That one is through, well, it's Brera Sports, and everybody thinks or Ark just bought a bunch of sports teams, which we did not. This is the company into which Soulmate is a Solana treasury is being folded and supported by the UAE, Middle Eastern, and my mentor, our advisor, and my friend Art Laffer is on the board of that one. So that's been very interesting. So those are the big three. Hyperliquid is the new kid on the block, and we're waiting to see how that all plays out. It's exciting. It reminds me of Solana in the earlier days, and Solana has proven its worth and is there with the big boys. So those we think are, and then of course there are other services, Aave, like money market fund, and Uniswap, and a few like that, Jito, which is related to the Solana ecosystem. So we will play certain derivatives, but if you're talking about the big boys or girls, those are the big three. Well, we don't own it, and we're not saying it's going to be a bad investment either. It's just not what we do, technologically enabled disruptive innovation. But with my economics hat on, I always take the performance of gold seriously. Typically, it is a harbinger of inflation. I don't think that's the case this time. We monitor something called the metals to gold index, so metal prices to gold prices. That has dropped below 08-09 levels, and it's got me actually worried about, okay, what is going on out there? It could be related to China, and they're still going through a deflationary unwind of the property speculation there. I think what's happening with gold this time around is geopolitical risk, and you'll notice on Friday night, all of the chaos around B1 visas, right?